So you know make a girl suck your wood. A new year in 2022, you know, a girl have to suck your wood for 2022, you know.
Yeah.
Chris.
Yeah.
Make the girl them suck your own that you left on it. Chris, to trust them with your own. Chris, but I'm no blood clot girl with my own.
Alone.
Hey, Chris. Hey, Chris. What drive on go on?
Me.
Chris. Go on, Chris.
So that means to say, me put you in a car and now I come then.
Man, nah, gonna wait, Chris. I want to you.
Sit down.
The dog get up with such passion and find it hard to sit down. Alright, next video.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
how may I help
I'm
you?
trying to get the generator up top there, the 3000.
Up top? Which one exactly you talking
That
about?
one.
Oh, the one on the top shelf. So let me ask you a question. If you can't reach it, or you expect me to reach it?
No, I thought because you work
When
here,
you talk wrong, you blasted idiot. What you try to say? Home Depot hire super
No,
people?
sir, but because you work.
But how me to reach it? How you expect me to reach it?
Can you get somebody that can help
Nobody in here can reach it. None of we can reach it.
Oh my god.
Alright, so how am I supposed to get it?
Go buy a ladder. Go buy a ladder. Ladder sitting on the back of the store. Go buy a ladder and
Alright,
come
sir.
back, come reach it.
I just want to get.
Go buy a ladder and come out of the store. Come out of the store. Come out of the store. Come out of the store.
I just want.
It's not for sale anymore. Come out of the store.
Oh my god.
Parameter.
Parameter.
Cucumber.
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 Water.
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 Caribbean.
Caribbean.
3.
Tree.
Tree.
Okay. Foreign.
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 Yeah.
Dollar.
Dollar.
Feisty.
Fiesty.
Fiesty.
Battery.
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 Yeah.
Charger.
Charger.
Forehead.
Forehead.
Foreign.
Alright. Popcorn.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Mosquito.
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 A bottle.
Buckle.
Buckle indeed.
No found no bumbo clot, dirty fool man. You no value pussy over on no blood clot, health and no strength. You no value pussy. You no get up and work everything because pussy. You no frighten over pussy. And when time bumbo clot, you reach certain age, you know nothing to blood clot. You think so no girl can look on you when you rank like blood clot polecat and piss up your blood clot self because you hardly can back out you when you piss. But when you have money, I swear God, you still a go get them blood clot because them a go run in because they hear say you have money.
Yeah.
All of the real man who no work and save no blood clot money, no spend out everything for woman. Woman can lie down all when he reach 60 and 17 still cannot sell him pussy. You can't sell nothing a blood clot because everything bumbo clot dead pan you. You fucking you never have no feelings in your fucking hood. Much less a girl fi go look pan you when you not nothing a blood clot. Me nah make no bumbo clot girl come work me out. And when me done a hole and mash up me nah me a work and save me pension we go suck out to no bumbo clot mama or no blood clot go in a chuck back.
Dark chip lick.
OJ, sit down and don't get loud, cause I don't want to look, I don't want your mother hear me. But let me talk to you from man to whatever you identify as. The other day you come in and you bore up your ears and you go on like me no see. But me no say nothing to you. No.
Yeah.
But when me go in your room and me see the new earring, me say watch a dangly earring. You are a princess.
Yeah.
You must be a princess, right? Because that's what you want to be.
Yeah.
Then you come in the other night and you hold up your nose and you walk fast through the door. Cause, Daddy, my nose hurt me. Your nose not hurt you. You just ugly. And then come and say, bore up in ears and me say, man, this boy get gayer by the day. You come in.
Yeah.
So I took a picture on you on WhatsApp and I said, look,
That's against the law, and I'm gonna report you.
if this was your son, what will you do? Everybody swipe up and say, could never be in my house. Boy, pack your things and go, man.
God, I have to leave.
Yo, Jamaican men have so much imagination when it comes to making a comment on a woman's body. So today, one guy asked me if a bee bite me. And I say, what? I asked this. Because I never know what I talk about. And then he must stare at my private part. Jesus. If one bee bite me, yes. And I never laugh on the moment though because I did vex. I didn't want him to think it was okay to tell me this. But it's funny still.
Funny indeed.
Next in line, please.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, what you want?
Can I get some mac and
I can't
sausage?
that done.
What? But you just opened.
Me no business if the restaurant just open. Everybody knows say if you want breakfast in a Jamaican restaurant, you have to come before the restaurant open. You want something else?
Can I get a large oxtail?
Oxtail? You never hear me just say a while ago. The restaurant just open. That not ready yet. That not cook yet.
Could I at least get some customer service?
Customer service? Everybody knows say you come on Jamaican restaurant for the food, not no customer service. Yo, next in line please, and please come with sense.
Hey man, how you doing?
Whenever you just buy the last of the Ackee and Saltfish,
yeah, that was me.
You want something else?
Yeah, I want a refund.
Refund?
Yeah.
Refund for what?
Yeah, I got too much saltfish in my food, bro.
Yo! My gone home. Me not have the strength.
2000s kids only.
Alright, so remember growing up when you used to play hide and seek? You remember the little jinglings them when you used to sing? So like you put your hand them in the middle or your foot and you go so dip. Mickey Mouse build a house, how many bricks did he use? And somebody would have said 2. You go so 1, 2, and you come out. That's you used to have a next one named dip. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a puppy by the toe. If you ever let him go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. And then cuss and say them no one done. And them say, the old man say, you, but no, you. Hold on, one next piece there. Not because they're dirty, not because they're clean, not because they kiss a dirty girl in a magazine. Remember them there?
Me no want a boy come to act like say they want come bad me up and tell me be your things I'm a bumbuckler taste. And first of all, me I tell you the God living truth, I don't like bad man. Go Molly, me not like bad man. Me like them for be my friend but not for be my man.
Yeah.
Me want be the baddest thing in the relationship, brother. So when you think about cheating, you go say blood clot Cashapp might right so with a blood clot Tech 9, you know.
No.
So me go and ease my pussy clot self. You understand what I say? I make a judge my youth with a bumbo clot down, brother.
Nah, like Cashapp, me Gigi right now. You understand? I'm gonna mind it, mama. You can run all over me, Cashapp. You see me box me 2 times, thump me in my belly. Them for suck my mother. Cashapp. Cashapp, mama, your thing turn up and your teeth them nice. Your mouth look like it smell nice, Cashapp. I like that woman here. She just kind of too bad for me, you see me, but would I still take a 1 box from my Cashapp? No worry yourself, mama. I'm not tell nobody, I'm not call no police, but you understand what I say, mama?
This is how Jamaican parents be asking you if you having sex. For example, you go to the doctor's appointment with your mother, and then the doctor be like, "Oh, are you sexually active?" Just like this. Watch. So, Michaela, are you sexually active? If I'm what? Yeah, stamina. You can't blood clot with me mouth and talk. The doctor say, "Are you fucking?" Yeah, dogo man, I push them out in here. Yeah, fuck. What? Answer the question. I stop going to get on a fucking sense. Open your mouth and. Miss, no, I'm not sexually active. Do you know that I'm able to determine if you are having sex or not? I can determine that.
Trouble.
Check it. I'm sorry. Let me be professional. Please do check so you can notify me if she is having sex, please.
Trouble.
But no, you're not. You take about 3 seconds for answer. It'll take a couple of minutes. You can tell. I'll do the test and then it will come back in a couple of minutes. How about that? Do it now. Hurry up. Watch me. I say, make that taste. I come back. Say, yeah, fuck me and your blood clot today. Okay, miss, go ahead. I'll step out so you can run the test. You murder. She gonna murder me, Jesus. Miss, me have to do it. You can't just tell her, say, no, oh Jesus. Why? Me dead now. You know, so Jamaican parents don't ramp. So you better tell the truth, you're gonna dead. If you tell a lie, you're still gonna dead. So, just dead at this point because it's a laugh situation.
Just dead.
You want a backers?
If you have money to pay me.
Money if you do what?
Backers.
Are you give me backers or me give backers?
So girl no pay man for backers.
So me can't pay for backers. Me can't get a drink or rum for your backers.
I import and fuck them.
Hi, can I get some oxtail?
The oxtail. Oh, the oxtail came of it.
I'll also take some rice and peas.
Pardon?
The rice and peas.
Oh, the house favorite. Yes, rice and peas.
Okay, got it. I'll also get some ackee and saltfish.
Some what?
The ackee and saltfish.
Oh, yes, me love me some good ackee.
And the last thing I'll get is curry goat. Goat curry?
You know it's goat curry. Don't do that.
No, we don't call curry goat curry at all in any Jamaican restaurant. Wrong. Bang.
You'll have to be vaccinated to watch the movie, sir.
I'm not taking any vaccine.
I'm sorry, but the government says it has to go like that.
The government told you that?
Yes, sir.
Then call back the government and tell them to suck their mother.
I'm sorry, but I don't understand.
Call back the government and tell them to go suck their mother.
Sir, I'm not that privileged enough to do that type of stuff, sir.
So all them have the privilege to call you and tell me, say, I must take the vaccine for watch movie.
Yeah.
Me need a needle in my hand for watch a show.
I have the shot right here. You want it or not?
Listen, you know what I'm to people if them get shot?
No, sir, I don't know. Oh, I'm sorry. The movie is $7. You can go ahead.
Man, not pay no money.
All right, go ahead.
Let's make the movie free.
Yo, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. And make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the family, understand?